What inspired me to become an engineer is seeing the impact it can have on a community. I was exposed to STEM at a young age, and I really liked what civil engineers can do and love seeing a finished product.
What inspired me to be an engineer was my mom signing me up for an engineering camp in 7th grade, and after attending that camp, I was inspired to go to college for engineering and pursue a career in that.
What inspired me to be an engineer is I had a great high school teacher who led me down this path, and I decided this is what I wanted to do for a living.
What inspired me to be an engineer is it's a great opportunity to help people.
What inspired me to become an engineer is to solve problems.
What inspired me to be an engineer is the opportunity to do good while doing well. I was excited at the opportunity to have a rewarding career being a steward of the Great Lakes.
What inspired me to be an engineer was my interest in math and science, and the fact that my father was an environmental engineer and I was interested in the work he did.
What inspired me to be an engineer is my passion to protect the Great Lakes environment around me and the opportunities that were presented.
What inspired me to be an engineer was my dad. He suggested that I look into a STEM career, and that's what I did, and here I am, and I love it.
What inspired me to become an engineer is I like solving problems and I like trains.
What inspired me to be an engineer is I've always been drawn to the math and science topics. I come from a long family of engineers of all various disciplines, and my dad specifically is in environmental, which is where I landed, and I'm really proud of the work we do and take passion and pride in that work.
What inspired me to be an engineer? When I was growing up, it looked like it was going to be a good paying career.
What inspired me to be an engineer is my love of drawing and mechanics, and I really had a passion for spacecraft and airplanes and things like that.
What inspired me to become an engineer is my father, who is also an engineer.